love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter.
Hey friends, so Easter is just around the corner. In fact, it's on Sunday. So today I thought I would show you how I put together my spring Easter tablescape using items that I have thrifted and I have purchased on clearance to give me that high glam luxe look for less. So if you want to see how I put my table together, make sure you keep watching. So before we get started, I want to let you know that today's video is part of a new collaboration that has been put together by my really good friend, Lady Phoenix from Really Good Living, and it is the Home Decor Luxe Club, and it is made up of Really Good Living, who is Lady Phoenix. She is our host. We have Glam Designs by Anne, Creations by Simone. We have Decorating Aunt's Place and DIY Design of CCW, and Kimberly Davis from A Blessed Home, and myself, Sheryl, with iStylEMYSTYLE. We are a group of ladies that love home decor, we love decorating, and we all decided to come together and form this club. And it's the Home Decor Luxe Club. And each month, for the month of April, we will be vlogging or doing a video or a DIY to, I guess, celebrate National Home Decor Month. And today is the first of those 4 videos. We will be uploading every Saturday for the month of April. So it's sort of like Veda, which is vlogging every day in April, but it's not really every day. It's going to be every Saturday. So I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below. They are awesome content creators. You are sure to get tons of great ideas. And I just can't wait to see what everyone comes up with. This is a close collab that we are doing for the month of April, but who knows, maybe down the road, we'll open it up and we'll have open collaborations so all of you guys can join us. So let's get on with the Easter spring table styling. So you guys know I love to decorate my home with style on a budget. So if you are new here, that is what my channel is all about. It is about home decor and decorating and thrifting and finding things to give your home that luxe look for less without spending a lot of money. Now, to achieve that, I do a lot of clearance shopping. I do a lot of thrift shopping. I go to Goodwills and I thrift Facebook Marketplace. That is one of my favorite places to shop. And as a matter of fact, I did a video of my 5 inexpensive places to shop for home decor. I did that video last year, and if you missed it, I will leave a link for it down below in the description box, as well as in the iCards above. It will give you some out-of-the-box thinking of where to go to buy your home decor on a budget. So in today's tablescape, I'm going to show you 2 styles. They're both going to be glam. They're all budget friendly and they will not cost you a lot of money. In fact, most everything was thrifted. A few floral arrangements came from Amazon. We have a mirror that we are using as a table runner from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. So all in all, this is something that's very budget friendly and that anyone can do. So let me show you what we're going to be working with. All right, so here are the items that we are going to be using to decorate our spring Easter tablescape. A lot of these items I purchased while they were on clearance. These plates are actually from Goodwill. You've seen them many times before. I love using them. They're very versatile. You can do a lot of things with them. These eggs, these glam eggs, I love them. They have a crackled finish to them. I picked these up on clearance from Kroger. I want to say I paid like $2 for them. It was after Easter. These florals you've seen before, I picked these up from Amazon. It's just a bunch of 2 that I have taken apart and just made little bouquets with them. The glam candle holders you've seen before, they came from Ross. These sprigs here, these, I don't know what they call these, came from the Dollar Tree. They're just called foliage, and we're going to use those. We're going to use these charger plates that I picked up from Amazon. I think they were about $20 for a pack of 6. And last but not least, we are going to use our placemats that I picked up from the old Pier 1 several years ago. These were also on clearance. It always pays to buy stuff after a holiday. That is when you get your best value and you get more bang for your buck. So let's go ahead and start getting our table together. Alright guys, so here is how our Easter spring tablescape has turned out, and I absolutely love it. It is very modern, sophisticated yet simple. You guys know I like simple and modern. So I have just used things that did not cost a lot of money. Again, we are using things that I have thrifted and purchased on clearance. So this mirror is giving the table life. It is very glam, and it highlights and reflects the light on the table, and I absolutely love the way it looks. So this mirror came from Walmart, and it was $15 with tax, so not a bad deal. Our glasses are thrifted. You've seen them many times before. They came from Goodwill. Our place setting is made up of, forgive my refrigerator, the placemats that we picked. Our table setting is made up of placemats that we picked up from Pier 1. We have our charger plates that we had picked up from Amazon, our thrifted plates from Goodwill, our thrifted silverware from Goodwill. We have the little greenery that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, napkins that I picked up from Amazon. So a very inexpensive place setting, but in my opinion, it looks so glam and so luxe, and it looks like it cost a lot more money. Something that you would see on a table where somebody maybe purchased all of their, maybe you would see on a table at Pottery Barn. Very sophisticated, yet simplistic, and I absolutely love this look. This is very modern glam and perfect for me and my family for Easter. So let's say you wanted to kick it up a notch. So let me play around with a few things. Again, very inexpensive items, and we'll get a whole new look. I'm not going to change the florals. We're going to keep that, but we're going to tweak the place settings a bit. So stay tuned. So for this look, we've updated the glam factor a bit. We've added our little rhinestone covered glasses that we picked up from Pier 1, the old Pier 1 a few years ago. And I've just added in a black and white plate from the Dollar Tree. Again, luxe look for less. And I think it just brings up the table a notch to give it more of a glam factor. And I forgot to tell you guys, this vase I actually thrifted from Goodwill. It was $4.99. I love the mercury glass effect on it. I did bring it home and spray it down really well with some Clorox, which caused the inside to kind of peel away a little bit, but I think it still looks great. Doesn't really detract from the overall look that I was going for. I absolutely love it. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my putting together my spring Easter tablescape, and it has given you some ideas on how to decorate your home with style on a budget to get that luxe look for less. You don't have to spend a lot of money to go out and make your home look really nice. So again, this collab is part of the Home Decor Luxe Club. I will leave a link for all of the co-hosts down below. Make sure you go and check out everyone's videos. You are sure to get tons of inspiration. And if you are new here, welcome. I appreciate your stopping by. If you have enjoyed today's content, I would appreciate it if you give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know which Easter table setting that you like the best. And we are almost at 4,000 subscribers, guys. I am so happy. It's been a long journey, a very happy one. I have met a lot of great and wonderful people here when I started my channel, and I absolutely love everyone that I have worked with, all my friends, my family, my subscribers. You guys just give me so much support. You leave such wonderful comments. I just absolutely love you guys. I cannot express that enough. I hope you know that. I love seeing you come back time and again and watching my videos. It just makes my heart full, guys, and I greatly appreciate it. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video and it has given you some inspiration on how to decorate your home on a budget to give it that luxe look for less. So have a happy Easter, my friends, and I will see you in the next one.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter.